Hello, my name's David Bellew. I'm Evening Duty Manager here at Dundalk FM, and today I'm going to show you how to record a radio program on your mobile phone. The first thing you do is write a script. So here in front of me, here's an example of a handwritten one. Now you can type that out or put it in the Notes app on your mobile phone. What I do recommend is if you're typing it out to keep the font nice and big. Big words are easier to read when it comes to doing your voiceover. So a show on Dundalk FM is normally 50 minutes or two 25-minute parts. So you want to time out your songs and what you're going to say as well, and your intros and your links too. We'll get to that in a wee bit. So you've got your script together. Now it's time to get your song. So on your computer, create a new folder on the desktop and call it whatever you're going to call your radio show. For this example, I've got a spotlight show on Enya. So I've got our songs and I've got the intros for the show, and I've got the voiceover in there. So that was recorded by Tara Tyne, who put together this show, and I'm just doing a bit of editing on it. So you've got your script and your songs. It's time to get recording. Grab your mobile phone and download a voice recorder app from the Play Store or App Store. I got this one, it's called Voice Recorder. So you want to go to a quiet room with soft furnishings to record your voiceover. Hit the record button, the big red one there, and do a test recording as demonstrated by volunteer Tara Tyne in this video.
Testing, 1, 2.
Hit the stop button and it'll prompt you to change the name of it and save it. So you're going to call it test recording and then hit OK. Then you go over to the wee headphone, the wee play thing there, and you'll see test recording. So it's the one up the top, and you hit the play button and it'll play back, and you just make sure that the level is okay. You want to check this on headphones to make sure it's okay. Anyway, when you're done, then you want to go back and back into the recorder, and you want to grab your script and record your voiceover.
Dear Yves, I'm Tara Tyne, and this spotlight will take a closer look at the cultural zeitgeist that was Ethna Patricia Brennan, otherwise known as Enya.
So if you make any mistakes, just say the sentence again, and then when you're finished recording the script, hit stop on the recorder, and you're going to head over to the wee headphones down the bottom there, and you're going to send it then. I don't have it recorded because Tara sent it to me already, but what you do is you hit the three wee dots up the top, then you hit the share button and you share the recorded file by Gmail. So you download it onto your computer and you put it in that folder that we mentioned earlier on, where you have the rest of your voiceovers and your music, and that is in the Enya Spotlight folder in my case. And seeing there we've got vocals 1 and 2. So the next thing you want to do is to grab your vocals and send them using WeTransfer or Gmail or whatever, and send that to your local radio station and they can edit it and put it together. Or if you want to stick with me, you can click the link now to the second video in this tutorial series, and I'll show you how to edit a radio program yourself using a program called Reaper.